combine the best practices of the different worlds. So what we're saying is run the processes as they currently are. Stay with your current data lifecycle. Use established identities and signature mechanisms. Also use future identities like EIDAS. However, now we go there and say, we don't just sign data. We sign data the moment we write it, we update it, and when we delete it. This then gets published through a cryptographic notary, which only shares the fingerprint. And we publish this to established trusted locations, like authorities or different blockchains. And through this, the sender of the data can maintain control, while the recipient can verify the data for himself. So if we look at an administrative or industry process, for example, we can use this to also integrate certifying authorities. So in case we have sensitive data where we're too afraid to share that across the supply chain, we can have an authority essentially attest to us that that data conforms to standards. We can redact the critical information, send it onward, and every recipient can verify himself that the data is according to the standards based on the attested. We can also integrate that, of course, within the industry processes or at edge devices in order to secure the data where it's being produced. And then we can also build additional trust services around that in order to feed the users, but also to enable extended use cases. So we can take the same data, integrate it into NFTs. We can also control the integrated data if it's different systems. And of course, we can redact and share the data with different users or stakeholders.